exactly what to watch for on the S&P 500. Hi, this is Dean Jenkins with FollowMeTrades.com, and this is my market update for the week coming up of November 19th, 2018. So I'm showing the S&P 500 cash chart here, and of course the S&P 500 and all the other major indexes have been in a bull market for 8 or 9 years now. We are in a correction, make no mistake about that. You can see right now we are in a series of low, lower, high, low, lower, high. This was lower than that, and now heading down. That's the definition, the Dow theory definition of at least a correction to the uptrend. And earlier this year we had a low, lower, high, a new low. What's different about this one, you can see it found support at the 200-day simple moving average. This time we broke through it. So I think this has the potential and is showing every sign of being a bigger correction than what we saw at the beginning of the year. And I've been talking about this for a number of weeks now. And last week we took a nice short in my stock pick service, and we caught this move down just based on what we're seeing here and on some lower time frame charts. But I want to show you exactly what to watch for this week. So again, we got a low, lower high, low, lower high, heading down to a low. It's under the 200-day moving average. We had a couple days at the end of the week where it pulled up just a little bit. So watch this level right here at the 200-day moving average, and it really kind of intersects the Ichimoku cloud. We're talking about 2760 in this range right here. If we move above this, this low, lower, high, low, lower, high pattern could be being challenged. Now, if we get a reversal at this current price level, we're probably, even in these smaller moves, we move, in low, lower, high, low. If we get a good solid reversal Monday or Tuesday, we're probably taking this thing down eventually. And it doesn't go that smoothly, of course. It works its way down in a little series of price moves like this. But we're probably going down below this low over the next week or two. So watch this key level, 2760. If we get above that, it could be breaking down. If it reverses sharply in here, we're probably going on to new lows. We do have a clue. Here's the overnight futures markets. The S&P 500 opened the overnight session. Let me get my chart right here for you. Did open the overnight session about 10 points down, and it's channeling and starting to head down again. We're currently right at about 10 points down from Friday's close on the futures markets. And so what does that look like for an open? If we stay at about 10 points, what does that look like for an open on Monday? I've drawn this light blue line here. It gives us an open at around 2726 on the S&P 500 cash market. And so that could be the beginning of that reversal we're looking for and continued momentum down. So that's what you want to watch for Monday at the open is a reversal and some momentum down. If so, there's probably a good short forming up there. Let's look at it on a 60-minute chart and see what some price targets would look like. So here is the 60-minute chart. We just throw some quick, very simple Elliott wave analysis. So here's the big move we had down in October. There's the move down. That's an Elliott wave 3. We had a nice, perfect correction up, and now we're heading down again. And again, we traded this last week on the SPY and did really well. And so if we get this reversal, and you can see we're right at this 200 period moving average on the 60-minute chart. We're looking for a reversal. If we get that, then we got a target down here, 2602 to 2474. Very tradable, couple days to a week, maybe even 2 weeks, and maybe the beginning of something even bigger on the S&P 500. So watch this key level here like we talked about, and we'll go back to the daily chart real quick and just keep an eye on it. Look for this reversal down, and if we break up above 2760, then hold off on trying to short it. But right now, again, given the overnight futures open and what things are looking like right now, pretty good potential for a down week, very tradable, good potential for profit there. Before I wrap up, let's go ahead and take a look at oil and gold real quick. They're always fun to watch, key markets here. So oil, of course, has been getting hammered, absolutely hammered. Down from about $76 down to $55. Now, last week it pulled up just a little bit, but don't get fooled. This isn't over yet. We would need to see clear evidence of a trend change with a high, higher low, new high. Nowhere close to that yet. So this could be just lower high, new lows to come. We'll watch this really carefully. I think it's a little late to try and short oil, and it's way too early to try and take it long. Let's look at gold real quick. Something interesting going on here on gold. So gold, of course, got hammered most of the year, big, huge drop. Found its bottom, and look here. And then it made a high, lower high, didn't go put in a new low, another high, higher low. So this is a correction. This is a high, higher low, high, higher low, looking for new highs in gold up into this correction zone with a midpoint about 1276. And we're up above the Ichimoku cloud now. This is looking good. We're probably going to be watching very carefully, see if there's some momentum, and maybe take some gold-related longs in the week coming up. So that's it for this week. I welcome any questions, comments, feedback that you have. Trade safe, use risk control, keep your winners big, your losers small, and watch those key levels. Thanks. Bye.